Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Now apparently, according to Deborah Goforth, we're in a place called Gruene.
Green.
I say it's Gruene. She says it's green.
It's green.
Have a look at the sign. In fact, I'll take you over here so you can see it better. Let me know down below if that's Gruene or green. So Deborah says that Green Hall is the oldest dance hall in America, you say? Or Texas? Yeah, I don't know. Personally, I say it's white, not green. So I've just had it cleared up. Green Hall, which is actually a white hall, but apparently it's a green hall, is Texas's oldest dance hall. There you go. And I'm getting the feeling that Willie Nelson might have been there, because all them t-shirts had Willie Nelson Green Hall. Is that right? Am I just making that up?
Idea.
I could be making that up.
Maybe.
But those t-shirts with it on. Now I feel like I'm in Texas. Y'all.
Go down the side and they'll slow down.
And of course, when I see an antique shop, I've got to go in. I have to have a look. Because as you may know, I have an antique shop back home. Apparently it's Christmas every day here in Gruene. Emma's off-roading.
Just a little bit.
You can get up yourself here if you want.
Oh. Time to go in the Christmas shop. Great Texas Pecan Candy Company. So there's a blacksmith there, you can make your own knife. Pookie Jane's, which is like t-shirts and memorabilia and things. Yeah, cool. Okay, sure, he's fishing for. Hey, must be fly fishing. Ba-dum-bum.
Go boot shopping. Or do you need a hat?
The greenhouse. Still says Gruene to me. Never mind. Apparently around here, that is the greenhouse.
I just say greenhouse.
The Barn, handmade pottery and fine art gallery. More shops. That's looking rather hot.
You know, you bring in whatever steel you have, come in for 60 minutes.
So I'm saying have a look at the general store, and it is so cool in here.
That's why you don't come very often.
Well, that'll just about do it from Gruene, Texas. It's really Gruene, but don't tell the locals. Anywho, hope you enjoyed a little look around. Please hit like, please hit subscribe. 97% of the people watching this right now are not subscribed. That's basically everyone. Anywho, see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.